I blow kisses as a father, prayed up, never giving up. Man, I want to tell you today, this little boy is safe now, Isaiah. My son, see his little booties. I got his glove on. He's sleeping right now. But I want to let you know, this kid is safe. My ex-wife. I want y'all to check out I Got Shades, the album, I Got Shades to My Eyes. You'll see the commercial and I explain the marriage. In 4 years, it went down the drain. I ended up having to divorce her through abuse, and she neglected my son. But when you keep God and you keep strength, this is what happens in the end. You get the prize. And my son, man, it's a gift for joy.